Now to heartbreak on Jamaica's roads. 4 people are dead following a violent two-vehicle crash along the Crawford to Fonthill Main Road near the St. Elizabeth-Westmoreland border on Saturday evening.
The victims have been identified as 30-year-old Janine Dawkins, the driver of the Voxy, 10-year-old Antwasia Legister, 12-year-old Janelia Dunkley, a student of Magotay High School, and 17-year-old Janado Dunkley, a student of Lacovia High School.
Jamaica News Page tonight understands that around 5 p.m. a black Toyota Voxy driven by Dawkins was traveling with the 3 children when it collided with a white Freightliner JPS truck being driven by a Canadian worker. Police say both vehicles were traveling in opposite directions, and preliminary reports suggest the Toyota may have been moving at a high rate of speed and failed to keep left, driving into the path of the oncoming utility truck. All 4 occupants of the Voxy were taken from the wreckage and transported to hospital, but sadly, they were pronounced dead. The driver of the utility truck reportedly sustained minor injuries and was taken to hospital as well. Investigations into the deadly crash are ongoing. Meanwhile, authorities are urging motorists to be extremely careful on the roads at night, especially in areas that are poorly lit, and they noted that some sections still have limited electricity after Hurricane Melissa. We're following developing news in St. Andrew. A police woman is receiving medical treatment after she was mowed down by a taxi operator Friday afternoon at the intersection of Hope Road and Lady Musgrave Road. We're told the incident happened sometime after 5 p.m. and there is still no official word tonight on whether the taxi driver has been arrested or charged.